In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google to pick up valuable keywords using Moz. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to optimize their website and gain more visibility online. So let's dive in and explore the steps together. First, we're going to start by visiting Moz Pro. If you're not already familiar, Moz Pro is a comprehensive suite of SEO tools designed to help you improve your search engine rankings. Once you're on the homepage, familiarize yourself with the layout. This will ease your navigation through the tools. On the left side of the page, you'll notice a magnifying icon. This icon is your gateway to the Keyword Explorer, a crucial tool for identifying and analyzing keywords relevant to your site or content area. Click on it. This will bring up the Keyword Explorer dashboard, which serves as the control center for our keyword finding operations. Now, within the Keyword Explorer, you should see a search bar. This search bar is where you'll type in the website or topic you want to investigate. Consider this your starting point for keyword discovery. It's important to be clear on your goals here. Are you researching competitors or diving deeper into your own site's performance? Clarity will help guide your keyword research and ensure you extract the most relevant data. Once you've entered your website or topic into the search bar, go ahead and click Analyze. This is where the magic happens. Moz will process the information and provide an insightful analysis of how the website performs in terms of keyword rankings and visibility. Patience is key here. The analysis might take a moment as the system processes a wealth of data. After the analysis completes, you'll want to look for the option that says Top Ranking Keywords. This option reveals which keywords your site or the target site is ranking well for. By exploring these top ranking keywords, you can gain insight into what's working and identify potential areas for improvement or new opportunities you might not have considered. From here, take a moment to review the ranking keywords in detail. This list is a treasure trove of information. Pay close attention to the keywords that generate high traffic or those that align closely with your target audience's intent. These insights can help you craft content strategies that boost your site's reach and engagement. And there you have it, a straightforward way to leverage Moz for keyword discovery. By following these steps, you've utilized a powerful tool to enhance your SEO strategy, ensuring your content reaches its full potential. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we encourage you to try these steps on your own and see the benefits firsthand. Happy keyword hunting!